Firstly, remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine. We can now access the map sensor, the cam sensor, and the boost sensor. Disconnect the map sensor by pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back the connector. Connect our map sensor harness plug to the map sensor. Connect the factory map connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Remove the boost connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Disconnect the cam sensor by pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back the connector. Connect the cam sensor to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect our cam harness plug to the cam sensor. Connect the unit to the wiring loom. Route the tuning box and wiring harness away from direct heat or moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place.
Doors, I'm a fool for you.